Again, everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have another purely Dollar Tree DIY for you. I have been experimenting more on the fences that I got from the Dollar Tree. As you know, I've had quite a successful first DIY using the plastic fence that you get from the Dollar Tree. And if you haven't seen my latest DIY, it's a farmhouse style lantern or bird cage. You can use it for your centerpiece, or just, it's a home decor that you can add to give that aura of farmhouse in your home. And anyway, I have purchased 4 of those, and I have 3 more that I'm experimenting on. I'll be using this mirror here. I love this mirror because it already is painted, or it has a silver finish, and then there's also a portion in the inner frame that has the black that can match the wrought iron. So that means I don't even have to paint the wrought iron. So yeah, I'll just use this. I'm going to clean this up, and then I'm going to be proceeding with our project. Make sure you're using a heavy-duty sharp pair of scissors. So I flip this over. It's easier to cut from the underside or the back side of the fence, and I'm using just the corner or the edge, and then cutting also the spike or the stake at the bottom, and then cutting also the side, because this is the edge. So there's this side wherein it's the place where they hook up the fences together. So I'm cutting those 2 pieces there too using the same scissors. You can use also X-Acto knife or box knife. As you can see, I'm using both so that I can have a clean straight edge. Next, clean the mirror with a dryer sheet. I use one. And just a tip for you, yes, it will make your mirror shiny and clean, no smudges or streaks. You can use this also on your computer screens, your TV screens, or even your cell phone screens or tablets. So yeah, so just clean it up, because I'm trying to do this because once I put this piece there, it will be harder for me to clean the inside. Next, I am going to be placing it and see where I'm going to be gluing it, because right now I'm going to be just using my hot glue. Now you could use E6000 or FixAll or Gorilla Glue or even super glue, anything that's probably more permanent than a hot glue. But I'm using hot glue right now because oftentimes I do change decor or I dismantle things, and plus so far things have worked out fine for me if I use just my hot glue. And since this is plastic over mirror, I think this will hold up well. Plus, the votive candle holder that I'm using is super light. It's not breakable as well. So what you can see here is I am applying the hot glue in portions where there are raised corners or locations there, because at the back of this fence there are indentations or there are shallow portions. So you might want to just apply the glue where there are, where the connections intersect. I don't know if I am making sense, but yeah, the raised portion so that it will stick to the mirror. And I'm just kind of eyeballing it to center, and I'm removing all those webs created by the hot glue. Then what I'm going to do here is figure out where I'm going to be placing this votive light that I got from the Dollar Tree. And at first I was looking at the bottom part, but I think it's better to put it up here in the middle, because I want to be able to take advantage of that kind of like triangular design that's here at the bottom here. So I just want to put it in the middle, and all I'm doing here is applying my hot glue, and then I am just going to place this votive light candle right smack in the middle. And I like this design because it also kind of complements the scroll that's on the fence, as well as the black color that's in the inner frame of this mirror. So I don't really need to paint anything or color anything. This votive candle light is, I think I got this a year ago for $2 for $1, if I'm not mistaken. So I used this also on another wall sconce, which I am going to be inserting here, so that if you want to watch that, I did a silhouette, kind of like a cameo style wall sconce for spring. And yeah, I'm just cleaning up the other sticky residue that the hot glue had left. So here's the finished project. Excuse the streaks on the mirror, I think, because when I was handling it and kind of repositioning things, there were some streaks that I left, but I'm gonna clean that up later. But here's how it looks like. So what I like about this votive candle is that there is a control underneath, so you don't have to worry about reaching it because it's protruding, so it's easier to control. And here it is, turned on. Wouldn't it be lovely when it's at night? As well as if you have a pair of this and then you put probably a painting in the middle or maybe a wreath in the middle. Yeah, so again, this is a short video only, and I just hope that you like this, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and share and leave some comments down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my Facebook page. All information on my About page. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.